Here we create our first voting contest. Let's click on Create a Contest. We will enter a contest or poll title here. Who will be the PM of India in 2023? You can see here, we have a single theme here which is Matsya. We have two types of voting. Poll style or voting contest style. One is grid and the second one is list. Okay. We will try each and every feature one by one. Firstly, we have to add options here. Let's say it's Narendra Modi and I will pick a picture of that candidate. You can also put a cover image, but for now let's move to the next. Second one is Rahul Gandhi. Take a picture. Next candidate is Arvind Kejriwal, and we will put a photo of that candidate here. We have 3 candidates in this voting contest. Okay, now we will publish this poll. Let's have first look up your awesome voting on contest poll. Now I'll try to vote a candidate. But if you will try, if you look at the voting restriction, I have limited here unlimited votes per user. That means one voter can do voting multiple times for any candidate. So let's make one vote per browser session. Let's do it now. I'll try to vote this candidate. Oh, it looks nice. So, if you will see, that is pretty awesome. Now what we'll do? We will try to give it an option multiple choice voting, which means a voter can vote for multiple candidates at a time. Let's refresh it, okay? Give it a chance. You can see here I can vote to multiple candidates. As you can see, we have voted 3 times. I suggest you whenever you want to switch to multiple choice, you have to do it before making your poll live. Because if you will put them on a live voting, you will make multiple choice enabled. You will be seeing kind of issue. So, I recommend you make each and everything at earlier, when you are publishing it. Now we have the issue here. So, what we'll do, we will just update this and it will get resolved automatically. Okay, you can see now it's working fine. I'm trying to vote this candidate again. Let's talk about voting publishing status. So, we have 3 publishing status. One is live, scheduled and end. We have here social sharing option. If you will see there are no sharing button over the poll. We will just enable this and we'll come back to our poll. So now you can see here we have the sharing option here. Let's click to share on Twitter. So, yeah, you can see here. Let's load it. We have other options here. If I want to change color of this, so I can color up this action or voting button, I can do that. Like updating this look, it's changing color, right? So we have multiple things. We can change the title color. We can change that entire container color. So, there are many stylings thing here. Now we have a special thing here. This feature enables private voting. If you want to enable it, you want to say a voting access code to your voters so that it can be private voting. So, you have to just copy that code and share it with your voters. Once you enable this feature, you will be seeing like a kind of this you can see. Let's disable it. If I want to start a poll from one of these months and want to end on the 13th of next month, end of this month and next month. So, we can do that and it will show the upcoming poll. So, if you want to make the result not public, that means this result will get hidden from here. So, you'll see this. It's pretty awesome. We have multiple things here. You can just put the cover image instead of this background. It will come here. Let's do one thing. Let's try list view. That is pretty awesome too. Let's have a look. Yeah, can you see it's awesome, right? So we can do kind of things here over with Epoll voting contest. These are the features we have. We activated all types of our add-ons.